Okay, this is how to hook up cable to your DirecTV receiver. Let's say this is the cable that's coming in from the street. It's coming into your house, and you already have the satellite receiver hooked up. This is the wire coming from the satellite dish going into the receiver, into this port. By the way, this is a standard definition, standard definition DirecTV receiver. The input from the cable would go into the jack that's labeled off air in right here, and then the existing cable coming off of the DirecTV receiver going into the TV remains. That doesn't get touched at all. Now, when you want to access the cable on your television instead of the satellite receiver signal, all you do is turn the satellite receiver off, and then that allows the cable signal to pass directly through into the television as if you had no satellite receiver here at all. And then you would tune your television to the proper cable channel that you wanted to watch. So it's very easy to hook that up. It just requires another cable coming in from the street for your cable signal, and it goes to the off-air input on the back of the DirecTV receiver.